Hey everyone, so to set up a scene, we're going to start here in GoGuardian. We're going to click over onto the Scenes tab, and here we're going to see a couple of options to create either an allowed list or a block list. And to be honest with you, I really like using the allowed list more. Block list is for like specific one-off websites, like if you know of a gaming website. An allow website to give access only the websites that you allow, and everything else will be blocked. So let's go ahead and create a list. You're more than welcome to try either one or both of those types if you like. We're going to just title this Research Scene, and we're just going to go over to the side and click Next. Let's create our allow website list. And so maybe this is a special research project where I only want them to use certain websites that are in the Google apps. So maybe I want them to be able to use Google Classroom, so I'm going to add that. And as you can see, as I'm adding classes, it goes over there into my list. And this is a warning just saying that you may want to allow an additional website, maybe like a Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. I want them to go to Google Drive, and I want them to use Google Docs because that's going to be where they're doing a lot of their research. But I don't want to add google.com because I don't want them just going and looking up answers. You may want to add a couple of other things if you'd like, just whatever you think is going to help them to study. So maybe I could come in here and put Quizlet just as an example. We'll search that, and then we'll add Quizlet.com. So here I've got my list created. I've got all of my websites added, and I'm just going to come over here and click Save. And now I can come back to the Classroom tab. I'm going to start a session in my astronomy class. As you can see, I only have one student because this is a demo class. I'm going to come over to the side and click on Apply Scene. And here I can apply either to some of the students or all of the students, and I can choose the scene from the list here, Research Scene, and click Apply. And as soon as that scene is applied, you'll be able to see that the block is working on all of the students. Now, one last thing that you want to make sure is you don't want to allow the students to leave your classroom and go to the next period without coming in here and either ending the session, or we can go to the drop down of scenes and click Clear Scene. Otherwise, the scenes will follow your students to the next period and cause some problems. Now, if you don't want to worry about that, you can actually schedule your scenes to your classes. And if you want to learn how to do that, I will see you in the next video.